The new Bachelor of Science in Interior Design degree at the University of Nueva Caceres is tailored for students passionate about creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interior spaces. This program at the University of Nueva Caceres is set to launch this semester, marking a revolutionary step in bringing the art of design to the heart of the Bicol region. The program combines elements of art, design, psychology, and architecture to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of interior design principles. Students will have the chance to explore various design styles, materials, and technologies, allowing them to develop their creativity and design expertise. Through hands-on projects and internships, students will learn how to transform interior spaces while considering factors such as sustainability, accessibility, and user experience. Upon completion of the program, graduates will be prepared to pursue careers as professional interior designers in residential, commercial, hospitality, and other design sectors.